Listen, if you were me and I was you, or I was you and you were me, listen, just shut up and listen. Yo, yeah. See, if I was you and you were me, how would you live? Probably similar, constantly sinning and making excuses for shit that you did. Probably doing some shit cause you thought it was lit and it had an immediate benefit, until you so fucking drunk that you throwing up chunks and you can't even tell me the president. Dog, I've been fucked up. My shoes missing, my head hurts, and my friends left and my phone's gone. They said drugs are cool but they dead wrong. I've been going places with people I ain't even met, living the life I would never expect. Highway to heaven, I think I'm a wreck. I'm like, what am I doing? What are you doing? Yeah. Mama look at me like, boy, are you dumb shit? Cause I take drugs and I drive drunk and I puff piff till my lungs quit. I got no conscience and bad habits, smoke good weed and that bad traffic. That bad bitch on my mattress, I don't think twice about actions. And I know my father can't stand this, I know my mother's been mad pissed. I know all my aunties and all my uncles and all my cousins embarrassed by these bad choices, telling me I should just go take a break. But that can't happen as long as I'm rapping. I'm pouring up shots till I'm drifting away. It seems like every day be such a fucking struggle for me. Think I'm crazy, ain't no way around it. Am I wrong? Or maybe I've been right the whole time, but that's not for me to decide. All the answers come in due time. It seems like every day be such a fucking struggle for me. Think I'm crazy, ain't no way around it. Am I wrong? Or maybe I've been right the whole time, but that's not for me to decide. All the answers come in due time. I'm like, who am I? Look in that mirror and I see a dead man. Bitch, you go to my room, I got swishers and liquor and vomit inside of my trash can. And I'm good friends with that Jack Dan, smoke sour diesel, not headbands. I got yo bitch in my palm shit, but no condoms all on my nightstand. Like fuck, yeah, how can I carry my family name? Living so stupid under the influence of anything, taking away all the pain. Man, I should man up, go man up, and face all my problems the way that I should. Instead I go and get twisted and overly lived it, from breaking and rolling the good. I said fuck how y'all feel, this is my life, not you living. Till Jesus take that wheel, I'll be dumb as fuck with no fucks given. Say fuck how y'all feel, this is my life, not you living. Till Jesus take that wheel, I'll be dumb as fuck with no fucks given. It seems like every day be such a fucking struggle for me. Think I'm crazy, ain't no way around it. Am I wrong? Or maybe I've been right the whole time, but that's not for me to decide. All the answers come in due time. It seems like every day be such a fucking struggle for me.